Hey guys, this is Marlon. Just came down the stairways from when you saw in my last video. We're gonna take a look around. There's been a lot of damage to my building. The water is coming in substantially, as you can see right here. It's all soaking wet. This is a gym that I work out in, and it's completely devastated. It's amazing. Walk over here. You're gonna see that we have a view of the outside, a little bit clearer than before. And we're gonna go ahead and take a walk on the other side of the building towards the pool area, and we're gonna attempt to open that door. Now the wind gusts are extremely strong now, and it's impressive. So stay tuned, and hope you enjoy the footage. It's definitely getting much worse. Thank you very much, and feel free to leave any comments below. We are doing okay, we are safe. We do have water and food, no problems. The building is holding pretty well. There's just some slight damage occurring with the water. So thank you. Hey everybody, look over here. The wind is blowing so intensely. It's coming in so hard. Look at the trees. Look at the trees. All blowing so hard. It's amazing how windy it is right now. We're in my parking garage on the 3rd floor. So it's very intense right now. The wind is coming in. I can't even describe to you. The sound of it alone is like a train coming through a tunnel. It's amazing. All right, guys, so look out here. The storm is so bad. I mean, just look at the intensity of the wind. Step out here. The trees are down. It's so bad. Right off me. My hat went flying. I mean, the wind is absolutely incredible. It's almost unreal how strong the wind truly is. I mean, blowing things right off of us.